Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to format cells. Well, cells formatting is anything concerning the contents or the content of the cells. It can be either the fonts or the font size, the borders, the alignment, or whatever. So if I'm doing it manually, I can just add anything for this cell, like I can add a fill color, I can add like type color, font color, can add some style, size, and whatever I want. Those are all are considered as formatting. Or I can uh, add some border and make them like that, make it showing like this, and go for this. Otherwise, there is another method by pre-formatting or having a conditional formatting for our cells. To do so, I will need to right click on my cell like this and go to the view more cell action, and here you will find the conditional formatting. Or I can click on my cell and go to the format menu here, and I will click on it, and down we will find the conditional formatting and we will click on it. As you can see, uh, if the color of if the cell is not empty, that means if when we are going to put some text, we will format it like this way, like we are going to fill it this color and add some font size and this style, etc, etc. So as you can see now, because it is empty, it's still white. If I'm going to add some text, it will automatically be formatted. Let's do another rule. It will be applied the H8, and this time let's make it if it is empty. As you can see, it started to be colored from the beginning. But now, as you can see, because it is not empty, the rule has been like reversed from the previous one. Now it is not empty, so the cell will be blank or without any formatting. So this is how you conditional format your rules. So you can add as many rules as you want for any cells that you want. That's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.